There's a difference between done and well done. And I'm not talking about spending an hour in front of the mirror with a curling iron and hairspray. I'm talking about the difference between throwing your hair up in a messy bun and calling it good enough versus taking 2 minutes, literally 2 minutes, to create something that looks intentional. This half-up ponytail is what I reach for when I want my daughter to look polished without the fuss. It's simple enough for a Tuesday morning, sophisticated enough for church, and versatile enough to work with whatever accessory matches the occasion. Let's make something lovely. Start by brushing through her hair so you're working with a smooth canvas. We're not doing anything complicated here, just a basic half-up section. Take a section from about temple to temple, gathering the hair from the crown of her head. You want enough hair that the ponytail has substance, but not so much that you're pulling everything up top, about a third to half of her total hair volume. Now, don't stress about getting every single hair perfectly smooth. A little texture is actually more flattering than helmet hair perfection. Secure with a hair elastic. Position it wherever feels natural. Higher for a younger look, lower and closer to the crown for something more sophisticated on older girls. And that's what we're demonstrating today. Now, here's where we add that little touch that takes this from basic to beautiful. We're going to invert this ponytail. If you have a Topsy Tail tool, now's the time to use it. But honestly, your fingers work just as well. Leave the elastic a bit loose, not falling out loose, but just loose enough that you have room to work. Create an opening in the hair right above the elastic by gently separating the hair into two sections. Pull the Topsy Tail through. Now gently tighten the elastic by pulling the hair apart slightly. You don't want it loose and floppy, but you also don't want to pull it so tight that you lose hair. Soft, inverted detail. That's what we created. Adjust the hair around her face if needed, smooth out any flyaways, and check that the inversion looks clean and intentional. And that's it. That's the base style. In about 90 seconds, you have a half-up ponytail that already looks more thoughtful than most. But we're not done yet. Here's an easy way to remove the elastic, because I'm going to place it back in her hair again. This is just a simple letter opener with a razor blade. It keeps me from pulling on the elastic and pulling her hairs out. Now, once the hair is gathered into a ponytail, if you're going to do this yourself, take the ponytail and tuck it up and through that opening you just created with your two fingers. You're essentially flipping the tail up and through, inverting it. Pull all the way through. There you go. This one simple step adds dimension and sophistication. It hides the elastic, it creates this lovely twisted detail at the base, and it just looks more finished than a regular half-up ponytail. Before we talk about accessories, I want to mention something. If you're enjoying these quick holiday hairstyles, I'd love to have you join my weekly newsletter. It's where I share encouragement for mothers of daughters, thoughts on raising girls with intention, practical wisdom, and the kind of conversation you'd have with a friend over coffee. It's free, it's personal, and honestly, the women who read it have become such an encouragement to me, too. The link to join is in the description, and I'd be so glad to have you there. Now, let's talk about finishing touches. This is what I reach for when we have a dressy evening event, like a recital, maybe a holiday party, a family portrait session, something that calls for a little extra. This oversized velvet bow makes a statement without overwhelming her. The luxe fabric catches the light beautifully, and the size is proportional for older girls without looking babyish. Just clip it right over that inverted section covering the elastic. The bow sits perfectly because the inversion created a nice flat base for it to attach to. Elegant, sophisticated, special. Now let's swap it out. Same base hairstyle, completely different vibe. Classic holiday bow with tails is what I use for church, for Christmas morning photos, or any occasion where I want something festive but not over the top. The tails add movement and a touch of whimsy without being juvenile. The colors are traditional, rich, timeless, appropriate for the season. This is the sweet spot between special and wearable. She feels dressed up, but she's not uncomfortable or self-conscious. And here's my everyday favorite, a simple snap clip. No fuss, no flash, just clean and polished. This is what everyday elegance looks like. It's the version I do on a random Tuesday when we're doing schoolwork at home and practicing violin and she just needs her hair out of her face. But it's still intentional. It says, I care about how I present myself. It's not good enough, it's well done. Same 2-minute hairstyle, three completely different looks depending on what the day calls for. This is what I love about having a few really solid, simple techniques in your back pocket. You're not starting from scratch every morning trying to figure out something new. You have a reliable go-to that you can dress up or dress down depending on the day. 2 minutes, three occasions, infinite variations depending on which accessories you own. This is day 2 of 25 days of intentional elegance. Tomorrow, we're doing something a little different, a quick twisted side style that's perfect for fine hair. Before you go, if you liked what you saw me working with today, these handmade bows and clips, everything I make is available in my shop. Each piece is crafted with intention and designed to last. The link is in the description, and I'd be honored to serve you. Thanks for being here. I'll see you tomorrow.